Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Soft tofu truly offers a magical, silky texture, perfect for absorbing any flavor you introduce. It's incredibly versatile, ready to be the star in countless dishes. Imagine it in a warm, comforting soup, or even blended into a surprisingly creamy dessert. This delicate ingredient is a wonderful canvas, waiting for your culinary creativity to bring it to life in delicious new ways. It's a fantastic choice for light, healthy meals. Unlike its firmer counterparts, soft tofu requires very little, if any, pressing. Its high water content is part of what gives it that desirable delicate texture. Simply drain any excess liquid by carefully placing the block on a few layers of paper towels for just 5 to 10 minutes. Remember to handle it gently. This delicate ingredient can easily crumble if you're not careful. A light touch ensures it keeps its beautiful form. Soft tofu truly shines when cooked with gentle methods, such as simmering or steaming. These approaches preserve its delicate texture and allow it to perfectly absorb surrounding flavors. Try to avoid high-heat frying, as this can easily cause soft tofu to break apart, or worse, become unpleasantly rubbery. Instead, embrace it in comforting miso soups, rich stews, or even gently poached in a flavorful broth. It adds a lovely, subtle richness. One of soft tofu's best qualities is its incredible ability to absorb flavors. It truly acts like a sponge, drawing in whatever delicious marinade or sauce you introduce. You don't need a heavy or long soak. Even 10 or 15 minutes in a light marinade can create wonderful results. Think about savory options like tamari, a hint of toasted sesame oil, grated fresh ginger, or even a dash of fragrant chili oil. These simple additions transform it. You can enjoy perfectly cooked soft tofu in just minutes, often using only a few pantry staples. A popular and incredibly simple way is to gently warm it, then drizzle with a good quality soy sauce or tamari, a splash of nutty sesame oil, and a sprinkle of fresh, thinly sliced scallions. It's a comforting and quick meal. Alternatively, serve it chilled, perhaps with a light ponzu dressing. Both options are delightfully easy and delicious.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.